I said what I said in part 1. And before y'all start calling me names, this is the real reason why I stopped dating a Jamaican woman, Caribbean woman and a whole. It's just too much stress, fam. And now I'm gonna tell no lie. Too much friggin' stress. It's not about that something is wrong or I have hate for Jamaican women. Jamaican women are beautiful. It's just that it comes with too much stress and headache. You don't know what's gonna happen next. You don't know the next move. You don't know if you're gonna be cheated on. You don't know if you're gonna be talked about behind your back. You don't know if you're gonna be given a jacket. You don't know anything. And with that being said, if you know these things are possible, and yes, it's possible with every single woman on the earth, but it's mainly possible with Jamaican woman the most. If you know that these things are possible, why put yourself in that position? I prefer peace and I prefer the calmness. When you're with a Jamaican woman, it's a constant battle every day. It's a constant fight. Jamaican women don't take accountability. Caribbean women don't take accountability. Always right. They always want to give a lecture. They always want to tell you something that you did that caused them to do that. Make it make sense to me. Most Jamaican women have an attitude problem. And when you leave and when you don't want to deal with that type of shit, they say you don't know how to deal with a real woman. But at the same time, they're just trying to find a way how to make you look bad because you end up leaving them. The attitude is too much and it has to be cut out. And beyond the attitude, every Jamaican woman, majority of Jamaican women have one little friend where they have. They have one little friend. They have one friend where check in upon them every once in a while. They have one little friend where just a check for see if they ain't good. They have one little friend where call them every now and again. They have one little friend where they will go hide and see. But they can't tell their main man that they have that friend. Because no man on Father God planet will ever be okay with their woman having a male friend. But Jamaican woman will not take that for an answer. Them have to have their little friend, massa. Me no know what sweets about that friend there. Them prefer their little friend over their own relationship. Make it make sense to me. 2 twos down the line, you and them mash up, and at the same friend you see them with. No, I'm not bashing my Jamaican people. I still love my Jamaican people, but I can't sacrifice my peace for vibes. And in the previous video, if you saw how many women came for me in that video, the thing is, it's the plain truth. Takes a real woman to admit that what I'm saying is true. And some of them who's even defending the situation, they are the same ones who are literally the problem. They are the same ones with 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6 persons in their life. And then what make it worse? Some of these parents, some of these Jamaican parents, they will know that their children have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 man in their life, and they won't say or do anything about it. They will back their daughters. They will back everything that they do and thinking it's okay. Leave a comment to let me know how you feel. Let me know if I'm wrong or right. This is Raw Talk with T-Dog. I will talk to you soon. Like and share and subscribe.